Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Use Basics. Today we are going to learn how to back up Google Chrome. Backing up Google Chrome involves saving important data like bookmark, password, browsing history, extensions and settings. You can achieve it by using Chrome built-in sync features or by manually exporting and saving specific data. Here's how you can back up Google Chrome data. Open your Google Chrome, click on the three vertical dot menu on the top right corner of your Chrome. Then go to settings. Under there you will see you and Google. Sign in with your Google account. After signing in, you will be prompted to turn on sync. Click yes, I am in. Chrome will sync your bookmark, password, history, extensions and setting across device. In settings, select sync and Google services. Select manage what you sync to customize what data gets synchronized, example bookmark or passwords. By using sync, your data is backed up to your Google account and can be restored by any devices where you sign in to Chrome. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.